In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error where it says Apache shut down unexpectedly. So if you're getting this error message, there's basically a couple of things we can do to go and fix it. Now, the first thing to note is if you click on logs next to Apache, you can select this second one here, which is error.log, and this is going to show you a full breakdown of exactly the error that you're receiving, and this can sometimes help identify the kind of issue you're experiencing. Now, to go and solve this, we first just need to come over to config next to Apache. Click on this top option here, which is httpd.config. And then from this notepad file, we're just going to scroll down until we see listen. And usually this is going to be set to a number like 80. Now, what we're going to do is try changing this number to use a different port. So I'm just going to add a couple of digits at the end, like 1, 2. And once you've done that, you can then go and press file and select save. Now come back over to your XAMPP control panel and you can try starting the application again, and sometimes that will go and fix your issue. Now if it's still not working, it could be due to privileges on your computer. You can see it says here improper privileges, and this is likely what's causing the error. So to go and fix this, we just need to click on the Explorer tab and then scroll down until you see this folder here called htdocs, and we're going to right click on this folder, click on show more options, and then just go and select properties. Click on the security tab, and you need to ensure that all of your users here have full control over this folder. So we're just going to start by clicking on the top user, then click on edit, and make sure full control is selected, so all of these boxes should be ticked, and then go and press apply and OK. You're going to do the same thing for system, just click on edit, make sure full control is selected and press apply and OK. Do the same thing for administrators and also for users as well. Now once you've enabled all of these controls, you can then head back over to XAMPP and you can start the Apache service again, and that should have now solved this Apache shutdown error. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.